Hello everyone, Guy Pearce here. I just wanted to share my support for the people of Gaza and Palestine and express my disdain for the atrocities that are occurring there. I won't go on about it, but we know exactly what's happening. But also to say congratulations and well done to Joe and all the people at the Unity Theatre for putting on Gaza Nights too. I'm sure it'll be a wonderful cabaret. I'm sure you'll have a great night. I'm sorry I can't be there with you. I could have popped on a heel and done a number. So have some fun, but let's not forget this is for a really vital cause.
Hi there, my name is Tamdeen Byrne. I'm an actor and performer, and it's great to be in touch with Unity Theatre in Liverpool because I played there with my show Venus as a Boy back in the noughties. I was with the National Theatre of Scotland on that show, and it's great to see that you have these Gaza cabaret events going on. Vital that venues are willing to step up to the plate and put on such performances, because there have been some horror stories about the pressure being put on organisations and the feeling that funding's going to be under threat, such like. It's just so important that these events go on, and so I would love to be there with you, but unfortunately I'm in Glasgow and can't make it. So I hope you have a fantastic night, and thank you so much for doing this, and hopefully see you soon. I'll be down in Liverpool in September, I think, with Bill Drummond. So I'll look you up then. Cheers.
Good morning, my name's Alan Gibbons. I'm a Liverpool City Councillor and I was one of the performers at the last event for Gaza and for Palestine. And I think this is the moral issue of our age, to end the genocide that's going on. So I commend Unity Theatre and the organisers of this event, and I hope lots of people turn up so that we can build our international voice against the slaughter.
Hello, my name's Steve Hewison, and I'd like to offer my support to everybody there. I'd like to commend the Unity Theatre for being brave enough to put something like this on. Also, I'd like to commend the organisers of the Gaza Nights cabarets and all the performers taking part, and to the audience members that are participating too. You're not just there for entertainment, you are there as an act of defiance. The Israeli state would not brook any dissent. They wouldn't want this happening, and neither would our own leaders on both sides of the political divide, who now seem to have blood on their hands once again. So keep up the comedy, keep laughing, because they really don't like it. They don't like to be embarrassed. In fact, as we know, many clowns and comics have been imprisoned for such acts. So keep it up, and I'm just very sorry that I can't be there myself, but hopefully I'll be there performing at the next one. Good luck.
Hi, Alexis Sale here. You know, for a nation that sits at the heart of our Western democracies, to commit a genocide requires a lot of things. It requires money, it requires weapons, it requires lies, but most of all, it requires silence. The silencing of voices who would normally speak out against such a massive atrocity. And I commend the people holding this benefit for Gaza tonight at Unity Theatre. I wish I could be there with you. Unfortunately, I can't, but all my best wishes go with you. Good luck tonight and in the future. Hopefully, I'll be there at the next one. Thanks a lot.